Just remember, for all you Porsche purists out there, it's important to remember while this is an amazing exercise in history and loyalty to the brand, this is a project that will continue over the years to exceed its current costs. And fortunately, these cars are still maintaining their value. $500, $1,000, $1,500. The cost can mount, but if you're able to continue putting the money and going after the factory original parts, it is a joy in continuing a legacy. Essentially, to give you an idea about the cost associating yourself with a vehicle like this, with the age and wanting to stay pure with the parts, this fan shell, so not including the fan that's actually inside it, if you get online and try to find a used one, it can run you anywhere from $750 to $1,000 just for the original component in the used condition. Now, if you're fortunate enough to find one that's actually new, that's been sitting on a shelf for 30 years, you could be looking upwards of $1,500 to $2,300, $2,400 for a new one. To put that into perspective, you look at these rubber bumpers back here. This is essentially the rear bumper setup on this vehicle. These bumpers in a used condition can run upwards of $500 for a original chunk of Porsche rubber. And if you're, again, lucky enough to find them in their factory condition, factory originals, you could be looking upwards of $1,000 for these rubber bumpers. So for all the Porsche purists out there, owning these vehicles is a enjoyment. It's a pleasure for a lot of them, but it certainly costs and maintains costs to maintain your vehicle in that purist aspect.